quick helper here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Facebook Professional Mode using the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android device. First, open your Facebook account and select your profile image located next to What's on Your Mind section. This will take you to your Facebook profile. Tap on the three horizontal dots next to Edit Profile to access the profile settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the settings menu and you'll find the option to turn on professional mode. Tap on this option and review the information provided about Facebook professional mode. If you're ready to proceed, select turn on, and that's it. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.